Straight out of food.
Oh my god, it's 3 in the morning already. I'm a thug.
4 cop cars for an accident. That's unreal.
It wasn't even an accident, it was just like a
little dent in the car. That's insane. A little dent in the car, eh? This guy's just turning around. I don't know, it's crazy. That's crazy, eh? Cop all the way down there, cop here, 3 cop cars over there. It's insane.
Hey, Alan, Gabe, Garner, they come for you.
Only in downtown Sudbury. It's crazy.
I only have social media.
Social media.
I got this at 90 here.
All the cops over there. Just standing around. Police vehicle right here. It's crazy. All the cops over there. It's crazy.
Can I be in the video?
You are in the video. Now you are.
Alligator.
Cop all the way down there.
I need to go to the bathroom.
Need to go pee.
I'm gonna be like that chick.
All the cops everywhere, man.
Yo.
Cops are everywhere. Yeah, downtown life. Oh, there goes the cops. Ooh. I don't know. Let's walk on through.